I want to brighten your day and remind you of your incredible potential. Repeat these to yourself whenever you need a boost of confidence and positivity. You are worthy of love and respect just as you are. Believe in your ability to achieve your goals and dreams. You are in control of your thoughts and can choose positivity. Be grateful for the abundance in your life. You are resilient and can overcome any challenges that come your way. Radiate confidence and self-assurance. You are constantly growing and evolving as a person. You deserve happiness and will create it in your life. Trust the journey of life and embrace its lessons. Attract positivity and abundance into your life. Be at peace with your past and focused on your future. You are capable of handling whatever comes your way. You are surrounded by loving and supportive people. Be a source of positivity and inspiration to others. You are enough just as you are. And I love and accept you completely. Remember, you are amazing, and I believe in you.